So the entire crypto market pulling back today, of course, after CPI data coming out. Now we wait what's going to happen with the Fed meeting coming up a little bit later this month. Of course, we're expecting a big interest rate move, perhaps 75 basis points again, maybe even 100 basis points. We'll have to wait and see. But Luna Classic, LUNC, right now up 20%. Meanwhile, the entire crypto market in disarray here today, and Luna Classic is bouncing up. Still down a little bit on the week. Luna Classic is down about 11% on the week, but when you zoom out, it's up 273% on the month and nearly 500% in the last 3 months. And the lunatics are making a nice little resurgence here. We're going to jump into the 1 hour chart here. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Definitely want you to come back here. I'm doing daily content for you here on Luna Classic. We also talk about all things crypto. We talked about the CPI data today already, Shiba Inu already today, and we're talking about a lot of the other top altcoins in the top 100. So this is the 1 hour view here for Luna Classic, and we could see yesterday we actually dialed back all the way back into the 2.9 range. Now, this is a range that we're looking at maybe to eventually come down to. We do have some support down here at the 2.425 range where we traded sideways here in early September before we kind of exploded all the way almost up to the 3.06 range. But it was great to see this bounce because looked like we were heading down to that mid-2 range before we bounced pretty hard here in the last, give it, 12 hours or so. We had some big green candlesticks bouncing back right now all the way up to the 3.6 zone at the time of this recording, up now 21%. Now, when we zoom out a little bit, take a look at the 1 day, we could see here really nice resurgence here. You could see after that big sell-off yesterday, and this is nice to see. We're still hanging out above that 20-day moving average. And when we zoom out even a little bit more and go to the 1 week chart on Luna Classic, we can see we had 3 weeks in a row where we just went parabolically to the upside here. Eventually, we're going to have to pull back a little bit. And here's the thing. As you zoom out, you can see, we're still in a really good spot here, right? Where people are kind of accumulating more now. Definitely people took profits off the top here. And I think it's a good thing. Definitely take profits along the way, especially in a bear market. It's healthy, too, for the overall chart, right? Now, we can zoom in here to about the 1 minute here, and we can kind of see what's happening. And if we go into the 1 minute, kind of consolidating a little bit, looking to break out of this 3.6 zone. Actually, at the time of this recording, we actually might be breaking out here right now as we're on screen. We're now up 22%. We'll see if we can get back kind of in this 3.7 range. We actually were up here earlier today. In fact, we almost got back into the 4s earlier today. Actually, we basically really close. We've got really close to it earlier today. We got up to the 3.9. That's been our high here today on the 13th of September. So we'll see if we can get back up into these high 3s later today, maybe even break through it, as right now we're seeing a nice little surge for Terra Classic amid this crypto market pullback. Let's take a look at the overall crypto market and compare kind of what Luna Classic has done. Bitcoin, you could see, is down lower than 21,000 now, 20,800, down about 6.29% here in the last 24 hours. That coming this morning after the CPI data was released. Ethereum still hovering over 1,600, still hanging in there. Of course, we've got the big Ethereum merge coming. Could be some nice positive momentum as long as we can kind of continue to consolidate after the CPI data brought us down here in the short term. But Luna Classic on a pump right now at the time of this recording. Look at this. As we're recording the video, love it. Up 24% now. So we'll continue to see what happens here. High volatility, though. Expect more high volatility here with Luna Classic. We're going to see it continue to be a very volatile up and down asset. You could see, look at the RSI. It's all over the place, right? Right now, from a technical perspective, it is a buy still on the moving averages, really across the board, oscillators and the summary. So that's good to see. And the lunatics making some nice headway here today. And one more thing in this video I wanted to talk about. KuCoin is doing an AMA with the Terra Rebels. Everything you want to know about LUNC official community with KuCoin senior partner as well. This is coming up on 2 p.m. UTC on September 15th, a couple days from now. So definitely check this out. And this could be a really cool opportunity to, bring more people into the Terra Luna community, and at least, put it on their radar to see kind of what they're doing over at Luna Classic as this community continues to revive Luna Classic. So that's what I've got for you here in this video. We'll be bringing you up to speed on the latest. I'll have another video out on Luna Classic later, of course, giving you another update. And of course, anything that breaks, I'll be here for you to talk about it as well. Thank you so much for popping in. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out if you haven't already, and subscribe if you want daily content. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.